Rid of the weld truck, taking all these boxes and everything off of it. You know, I've been thinking about it for a while and been wanting to do a trailer. I had this thing sitting in the woods over here. We just dragged it out, and it's pretty heavy duty. It's it's got 2.5 inches almost of leaf spring pack on it, but it's got an old school I-beam, you know, front end or something out of something that I don't want to deal with. So we're gonna be putting that rear axle under it, using them U-bolts and everything, line it up, strap it all down, be using these leaf springs, and that way we could run the 5 lug instead of this old 6 lug. So yeah, let's get it moved down in the shop. Got all the old U-bolts cut out. We're gonna pull out these old axle. I cut it in half, and lug nuts were gonna be more of a bitch to take off than taking the wheels and sliding that whole thing out of there. So let's get it off the ground here some, and we'll yank them halves right out right in there. Torch them right in half. Got all the old junk cut off. It's kind of just a mock-up how we'll be sitting on there. Got the old shock mounts tore off and shit. That's where we're at so far. Truck's all cleaned off. Do my fuel here. Let's use some channel we had laying around, some holes, change the straps. Here's my oxygen. And I just cut out a little plate and sat it in some channel as well. Put a little riser on the front. Welded it all up. Put the welder probably right here. Have some storage up here. I just threw some leads in there quick last night. Got some weight off the truck for sure. And we got the reels and the welder. Once this shit all piled up here, it's gonna go back on it. So yeah, let's keep going. There's Doug's shit. All right, so this is where the welder is gonna be sitting. I kind of just did some measurements and figured it out for the toolbox to sit here. Need to be more towards the center, so we actually just put it right on center. Made these rails so we could just slide it right in if we ever have to take it off by ourselves for some reason. And then we got the torches right here mounted up. I still gotta unbolt this and turn that face down so it's not hanging up over the top, but we'll have some storage in here. And you know, we'll have the damn welder sitting here, some storage up in the front here for if we gotta put our MIG in here or any other bottles. So yeah, here's what we got so far. Got some 1/2-inch bars going under here, 5 of them. That plate sitting on top. Gave us a little lead rack right here. Put all our shit on. We put some nice 3/8 plate down here. It's gonna hold all our longer shit. Gotta slide it all back up, but yep. Battery box, got some other tools and stuff we'll put up here, and then I got this box we're gonna mount along the side over here, and that about holds all the rest of my stuff, and the cooler will fit right back here. Here's our little cradle for a box. We'll throw that up there. Had to make a little makeshift stack real quick, and be about done. Added a little plate in here, keep all that recessed. I'll keep this open for now. Probably throw some wood in it, but not bad. And here it is, pretty much all finished up. Got our box here. Rods, everything over there. Torch equipment, grinding discs, abrasives. Need to stock up. Little tailgate. All our long shit there. Bars, pry bars, jacks. Got our leads. Oxygen. And acetylene. This little tray in here. Got my chains and chain falls, come alongs. The Bobcat 225 in the middle.